Hi guys, this is your host and host Navneet. This is my first English video on my channel, and welcome to my channel. First of all, I forgot this line. Today I'm gonna shoot a very small video, short video, regarding the power of discipline and how to sustain and maintain discipline. Actually, there is a myth and there is a mistake, in the word discipline, or you can say, and there is a mistake to understand the word discipline. People wants to be disciplined in their life, but they thought ki, the disciplined is a very hard or harsh word. They think like that. uh, Actually, discipline helps you to achieve your goals, to fulfill your dreams, to fulfill your desire and all that things which you want to do in your life. But the people take it in a negative way. In a negative way, like if they have disciplined, they have to wake up early in the morning near about 4 a.m., 5 a.m. No, that is not a discipline. Discipline, I want to talk about the five factor regarding that, how to maintain and sustain the discipline. So this is the first factor, ki be on time. It's okay if you are not waking up at early in the morning at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Okay, you have to wake up whenever you want, like suppose 8 a.m. But it should be 8 a.m. throughout your life or throughout your some period. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप you are waking up 4 days or 5 days 8 a.m. and then after some days you have to wake up again at 9 or 10 or 8:30 or even ki 8.5, 8.5 p.m. not 7:30 a.m. Sorry, I'm saying p.m. and p.m. So sorry. So be on time. Like suppose if I want to go on a walk on 5 p.m. in the evening, so it should be always on 5 p.m. The people who live nearby me, they should know that okay, it's a 5 p.m. now. He will become not before 5 p.m., not after 5 p.m. He will be always on 5 p.m. throughout his life. So I think I'm blessed that I am very strict in this thing. If I want to go for playing basketball at 4 p.m., which I go regularly, so I will be always in the basketball court at correct 4 p.m. So this is the first factor. Second factor is this: be smart. Be smart in the sense that we should know how to design our discipline routine. We should know when should we wake up, when should we do a priority things. We should make a to-do list daily, and we should follow 2 minutes rule, which is actually I recently read in a book, and which states and which taught us ki if we can do anything in under 2 minutes, we have to do immediately. So we should be smart how to design our routine, how to design our discipline. Third one is don't be lazy. Like it is actually retained associated with the 2 minutes rule. Like we don't have to think about this. Actually there is a Swami Paramanand who said always ki आलस का ध्यान, आलस का thought आना is in your mind is also a laziness. So how you can understand how much people are disciplined in their life, how much the people are strict in their life, that ki they said ki even the thought of laziness came in your mind is a laziness. So you can understand. So don't be lazy, always be active, be punctual. If you go to bed and you feel sleepy, don't go on bed. You have to do a lot of things. If you dream big, you have a lot of things to do. So do that thing. Self improve yourself. I'm not saying to do boring things in which you are getting bored. So that's why I'm saying in the previous step you have to be smart. You have to choose whatever you want to love. So discipline is actually should be like that. The way of life which you love. The fourth one is follow the passion. You see, if you make a disciplined life which you love to do, like you want to play cricket, and if you design your discipline regarding that, so naturally you get that positiveness, and you get that love, or you get that affection, or you get that power internally to do that. And I don't want to be on a chair, I don't want to be on my bed. No, I have to do that thing. Actually I love to internally, you feel so good. So this was the fourth factor. And the fifth one is very very important, that live your life. Do not ruin your life for others. Like suppose if someone is following a particular routine, he is waking up in the morning at near about 4 a.m. So I just copy him for 1 week, 2 week, but after some time I got, I get distraction, I get boredness, and I'm not going to follow that routine because that is not my routine. I'm following him, I'm copy him. The copy doesn't exist so much. So live your life. First of all, find a passion, then live that dream. So this is a short video on that this channel, Navneet Lifestyle. So hope I like you. Sorry, hope you like my video. Share and comment on this video. Share with your guys who want to be achieve something and want to know about the power of discipline. Believe me, the power of discipline is huge and huge and huge. So we should follow and we should know that power of discipline. Once you know the power of discipline, you will amaze yourself. Thanks guys, bye, take care.